Magkano hanggang Lias? Galing Karuata. Lias Karuata.
23 lang.
23.
Opo.
Excuse me. Here's my payment. Bayad ko. 11 yan ha. 11 pesos yan. Dyan lang po ako. Yes, ano yan? Special needs.
Sobra to.
Kuya, 11 po yan.
20 na yan. Buwarin na.
11 po yan. 11 po yan. Dyan lang po ako.
Sobra.
11. Di. 11 po yan. 11 po yan. 11 po yan.
Saka mababa.
Diyan lang po ako. Sa may sakay na papuntang yung Malolos din. Yung sa may Plaridel. Abangan na lang ako dyan.
Sobra to.
Di, ano po yan? 11 po yan.
Di ba?
Sir. Ano ba naman yan? Parang unlimited money po yan para talunin po natin Ninakaw ko ba sa inyo po yan? Kung ninakaw ko sa inyo, pwede i-ano ko sa pulis. Pero dahil sa akin galing yan, wala po tayo karapatang magreklamo.
Hindi mo nireklamo.
Hindi po, 11 po yan Nakipagtalo pa po tayo.
Dito ka pa mag-amang?
Dito na ho, yan.
Sige.
Wait lang. Ayan, sige na, okay lang, sige na. Kasi wala. Sige dito. Sige, malinta na lang, sabi malinta na lang Diyan na lang. Grabe. Kung ninakaw ko yan, pakulong nyo ko, pero nagtatalo tayo dahil sa mali talaga. Grabe, hindi na ano lang ako nawiwirduan lang po ko sa inyo. Sige, abangan na lang ako dito.
Dito?
Dyan na lang.
Dito ka na lang?
Yan.
Ingat.
Sige. Manda ka, driver. Ang drama mo. Best actor. Best actor sa Oscar. Hello, good afternoon everybody. So, I want to explain this to you. So, don't believe him that he really want to return my excessive money, this man. You know why? Even he told me that he insists you to return of my money. He tell me the truth. Yes, he tell me the truth that that's 41 pesos or 40 pesos. If he denied that there's another 1 peso, there's a 1 peso more. I told because I gave him 41. I pretend that's 11 pesos, but the truth that's 41 pesos. You know that. He pretending that he's like a saint. He always imitating a saint, but he's very trying hard, this man. But laterly, he will steal of my excessive money. Yeah, he will steal my excessive money laterly. You must remember this man, because this man are evil. Is so very evil. He always humiliating of the other people, especially me. He accused me that I'm a stealer or robber inside his jeep. But the truth, he pretending like a saint. Not only him, but many, almost all of his fellow drivers. That is that like that the dialogue that he pretending like a saint. He pretending that he always returning the excessive money. He making a scandalous inside in his jeep. Instead, he has ungratefully very thankful that he can steal of my excessive money, because I pretend that I'm very stupid, but I'm not really stupid. You know that. But the truth, he will give up later, that he will put in his money box of the unconsented money. Oh, you see, the unconsented money that worth 30 Philippine pesos remaining of my excess of my money, instead 11, because I told him that's 11 pesos, but the truth, that's 41 pesos, and then he told me that's excessive money. That's 40 pesos, but the truth, that's 41 pesos. He denied that he has more 1 peso coin, you know. So you must remember this man, because he's very taking advantage to us. He pretending that like a saint, but the truth, he's a fake. He's very honest, turns dishonest laterly, but he will do it more and more repeatedly, like other people. You see? So you must remember this man, because they will humiliating us. He will humiliate us that they're the stealer, even we're not a stealer. This man is so evil. He's worse than a devil. He have the humiliating to the other people, to us. Yeah, he will accuse us that he's very stealing. And you, man, if you're hearing me this, if you really don't want to accept my unconsented money, because we're not consented yet of the excessive money, the worth 30 pesos. If you're not really want it, you throw me in front of me the change, the excessive money. But what happened? After, you're always repeatedly, and then afterwards, when I confront you, because you're so very insisting, you're always repeatedly, you're very irritated me insisting that. So that's why, afterwards, you put in your money box my excessive money until I'm leave in your jeep. I did not bring off my excessive money from you. So you must stop pretending, please, jeepney driver. Oh, and not only you, only all of you. Remember that. Please stop pretending, please. Don't pretend like a saint.